Alright, we have another HP. We bought this one a while ago, and this one we're supposed to fix up and sell. And let's have a look at purchase history. What is this? This is a 14-BW. 14-BW is no hard drive, no RAM, no battery, parts only. Alright, so this one here, we offered the seller winning bid, $35.49, postage $20. Yep, and what did we buy? We bought a no hard drive, no RAM for parts. Do not expect a working laptop. Okay. Ivan from Victoria. Alright, let's have a look, mate. See if we can do something about this. Now, this one, as you can see, has some screws missing. At least he did send a charger. Model 19 volt 2.37. No idea. Alright, so this is a HP charger apparently. It's a compatible one. Now it came with the screws not there. I haven't had a chance to have a look yet. Minor cosmetic damage there. What's going on here? Some kind of a seal. There's supposed to be a battery here. The screen is also cracked. Okay, you can see the screen is actually cracked. Okay. At least did they provide the motherboard? Alright, so otherwise this one will go into spare parts. Even if you don't make money selling the laptop, you know, we make money over long term, like keyboard, hinges, you know, USB ports, charging ports, all these little bits. Over time, they make a lot of money, like in the thousands. That's if you do get, okay, that's a bit cracked. That's if you do get that job. But when we do have spare parts, we can do the job much quicker than anyone else who doesn't. Okay. I'm a little bit nervous opening this because this definitely had one go through it, probably damage the board maybe. Who knows? Let's have a look. Let's see if I can get this open properly. Come on. Okay. Okay. Looks like clips. Come on, buddy. Let go. Come on. Come on. There we go. I was gonna say as if they took the RAM connector out. Jesus, okay. No, they didn't. Okay. So this model has no DVD drive anyway, but it's got the slot. Hard drive goes here. RAM, LCD connector, 30 pin, Wi-Fi chip is there. I'm assuming there's a CPU in there. There's actually no fan in this model. They just put a little cover there. Charging port. Okay. So no work done on this. Maybe this just had a cracked screen. If that's the case, we can just put a replacement screen and we're in business. Alright, let's try our charger first. I don't trust the compatible one. See if we get a light. Oh, yep, we got a light. Alright, so we got a light, that's a good sign. That means the Super IO is working. And power. Okay, caps lock light is blinking. Could be because there's no RAM. Looks like a DDR4 RAM. DDR4. Get in there, buddy. Show us what you can do. The hinges look good. And so the daughter board is disconnected. Okay, we got picture. So what's really the issue? Maybe no issue. Okay, so this is good. There's no fan. Wow. I guess it doesn't get that hot. Right, so see if the keyboard works. Yes, it does. I can go into BIOS, F10. Yep, we're in the BIOS screen. Alright, so this is a 14-inch screen. See if I've got one of these. It uses a slim 30-pin connector. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll assume the laptop is working. All it needs is a new screen and a hard drive, and happy days. So let's pull this out. So you see this, that magnet there, it actually connects or makes contact with a transistor here, which determines when the screen is closed or opened. I worked with that chip many times. Okay. So for this screen, looks like one screw here, another one here. That screw is already gone, which doesn't make sense. So maybe, it doesn't make sense at all. Okay, how come there's no screw there? Okay. Right, so 30 pin, 14 inch I think, maybe 14.1, no idea. Oh, here we go. 14 inch, 30 pin connector, slim LED. See if we got something similar. Well, what do you know? We do have something, but I have no idea if this one works. Maybe it's cracked. Sometimes we keep screens just for testing purposes. I don't see any cracks on that. And there we go. Screen is good. Voila. Now this screen probably came out of another computer some time ago. So the only difference is this is the glossy version. The old one was a matte. Cool. So what we'll do is we'll put this screen in. There's a little bit of dent on the frame. I'll just fix that quickly. There we go, it's fixed. Now this has no battery, which is no problem. It can be sourced online, quite cheap. Yeah, what's interesting is there's another screw missing there at the top. Unusual. Okay, all good, all good. Everybody got screw except that one. Let's make him happy too. There we go. Now, this LCD cable. Right, that's about it. We'll give this a clean after. Maybe we'll clean now since we got it exposed. Okay, there is a bit of scratch on the screen, that won't matter. Okay. I mean, even if you sell this laptop, you know, 150, 200, that's a good, decent profit just for an hour work or so. Also get to make a YouTube video for others to benefit. Alright. Now what do we do about the hard drive? At least it uses standard connection. No special docking connector. What shall we put? It's going to be an entry level. So it's no point putting a big SSD. We can put a normal hard drive. Alright, we're back. Now what to do with the hard drive. See if you got another SSD. The computer will be really slow without an SSD, especially this type of processor. I'm assuming it's one of the Celeron, Centrino or AMD APU. Something rubbish in there. Okay, so we haven't got any used one. That's great. We can start moving on to the new ones. So we're just going to put a 128 gig SSD. These cost about 30 bucks. So no problem. So this is missing its tray where it's supposed to hold the hard drive, just like that. And that will click on there. So we'll secure that with the tape. Okay. Yeah, this tape is gone. I want to use this because this seems to be a bit stronger for this purpose. I could use double-sided tape. What a piece of horrible tape this is. Okay, you know what? I'll do something else. Scissors, or scissors right here. We've got some Velcro that's on the way, double-sided Velcro. Will make the job much neater. But for now, this is what we got to use. Okay. You can ignore what I'm doing. Imagine you didn't see this. Okay. The point is I don't want that drive shaking. Alright, so 4 gig RAM, 128 gig SSD, some kind of CPU in there. Anything else we need? We need a battery. Okay, what do we do about battery? This is a 14-BW model. Okay, well that's good. Installing Windows. I will try to find a replacement battery. Okay. Okay. And this one will be again Windows 10. Serial number is embedded. Turn on. F9. Change boot order. Now it's not showing because okay, so it is AMD E2 9000E. It does have a Radeon GPU. Oh, 8 gig memory. Okay, nice. I'll put an 8 gig. Doesn't matter. Windows 10 license is built in, and we may need to disable secure boot. So let's go to boot options. Secure boot disabled. F10 save changes. Okay, I had to take that call, and this is to disable the secure boot. And now we can boot off the USB. F9 to bring the escape the boot menu. Yep, it's coming. And you can't find the USB. And did I connect the daughter board? And I think I thought I did. Let me double check. Maybe that USB port doesn't work. Try F9 again. Could be one of the reasons why they're also selling. There's additional problems. So I can see the USB now come up. So before we continue, let's just check that daughter board. Maybe I didn't connect the ribbon cable properly. Something simple. Just have a look. Okay, right. It's very rare for these cables to go bad. You never know. Physical damage on that port. Nope. Okay, let me double check. Maybe I didn't put this in properly. Okay. There's a lot of slack, which is not normal. Let's do another test of the USB on this side. I already have all the USB ports working. Okay. F9. Okay, that USB port is not working. Either the cable is damaged or something else. We can have a look at that later. No physical damage at all. Okay, just gonna check that ribbon cable one more time. Okay, maybe this had some kind of a liquid before. Maybe, maybe not. But this should be an easy fix, whatever it is. going to worry about it now. I do have a replacement ribbon cable. Okay, so it hasn't recognized that USB to boot from. Okay, we'll run this Windows 10 setup and I'll come back to this later on with the USB port, see what the issue is. Okay, so we're now installing Windows 10. And one thing I did remember, I've got a USB with a LED light at the back of it, and while the computer is on, let's see if red light comes on. Oh, yes. Okay, there was a red light. Oh yeah. Now in Windows 10, you know, when you're installing Windows, you can just go into Shift F10, bring up the command line, and we can just say, did you know you can run Task Manager in Windows 10 setup? Yeah. One good thing is you can do copy and paste of files and whatnot from the C drive. I just discovered this today, accidentally. Of course it's not letting me. Okay, I just want to see what disks are recognized. So C drive, D drive, yeah, look at that. That's the USB contents, which I didn't want to show you, so I have to blank that out. So the USB port is actually good, but you just cannot boot from it. Some kind of limitation, I don't know. Alright, now that's installing Windows 10. The serial number is picked up automatically. With the SSD, this computer will be pretty good. And what do we do about battery? Okay. Nope. Oh, they got very old ones. Let me check another place. Wow, isn't this interesting? Look what I got here. Another 14BW. Sorry, it's not very clear. 14BW. Okay, so now I don't even know why I've got this laptop. Maybe from a previous purchase. Yeah. Hey, you know what's interesting? This is getting really weird. This is a 14BW. It's actually the exact same model. And this one has a shiny screen. So when they sent me this, they gave me matte finish, which I don't think was originally part of the screen laptop. So whoever sold the laptop, they actually swapped out the screen. They took the good screen out, put a crappy cracked screen, and far out. Okay, anyway. Okay, because the original BW model comes with a glossy screen, and this one has a little bit of liquid. Let me check if I bought this for the same purpose. Have a look on the purchase history. Okay, 14BW. So this is the one I had bought for this laptop, which have nothing in it. I don't have anything for the last 60 days, nothing for the same model. Let's go back a little bit more. No idea why it's here or how it got here. Okay, whatever the purpose for that BW is, the one that's here, it's probably not working. And which I will need to fix. So because we have now a working machine, we can use this to fix the other one. And that battery should be compatible with this. So I'm just gonna pull that battery out. So the one I've just taken out from actually had a liquid spill. You can see a little bit of yucky stuff there. That explains why they've originally installed the laptop. Liquid spill, okay. Laptops don't get damaged, the batteries don't get damaged that easily from a liquid spill, unless they touch the controller, you know, BMS, which hardly they do. Okay, now what I'll do is, okay, that's nearly finished, so I'm just gonna turn the computer off, take that out. Let's put the case back on. Which I'll need to take out again later, possibly, to help repair the other laptop. There we go, that's nice. Look at you, you look complete now. Proper laptop. And Windows 10 setup should continue now. We do have a yellow light, so it's charging. But it doesn't mean it's charging. Sometimes it could be wrong. There we go. Okay, array going, getting ready. The worst case scenario is the keyboard is damaged. If it is, yeah, I don't want to spend time fixing that. Maybe I'll combine the two laptops, make one laptop out of it altogether. But let's see how this goes. We don't want to correct this inch. Here is an item of interest, 13-AE HP. I really don't like the model HP Spectra 360, but it's good for parts. And in 2 hours, $207. And what's the issue? Fan issue, so it's just a matter of replacing. So battery won't hold charge, typical HP. But you got a variety of sellers if they're in Victoria. I mean, this is for Australia. Most of the Victorian sellers, they sell dodgy laptops, like this one is from Victoria. And I did sell some laptops to people in Victoria, and they claimed it's faulty and sent back. And when I opened it up, critical components were removed. Yeah, very annoying. On that HP ProBook i5 4th generation, Windows 10 install was a breeze. Look at this guy. Okay, still going.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Oh, Cortana, not right now, please. Come on. Look, I just want to see if the battery was holding charge. This should be more than enough. Let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. The battery is good. Thank you for watching. That's about it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.